Antrim County in northern Michigan until 5 p.m. And for 19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Alma, or 8 miles east of Mansalona, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alba, Warner Township, and Jordan Township. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Antrim, Michigan.